All right. So this morning, I started recording it after, but the whole key is recognition. Like, did you see I highlighted it right here in real time? Let me do it on this recording. Your eyes got to get fixated on congestion boxes. So you're not stuck short when it leaves. Or if it leaves it and comes back, it's kind of a head fake. Your eyes got to get fixated on these congestion boxes. Now, another thing that had happened, we had a big short that come out overnight, and that provided a pivotal price for a little bit of the morning as we leave that box and we head up. Okay. And you get yourself in a position to talk about those that miss this rally. And you're going to miss moves. That's all part of trading. But I was writing in here in real time. Those that maybe should have got long and had a setup, they just didn't take it inside this yellow circle and they missed this pop. We're always looking for the second bite of the apple. And you get a little hasty and certainly anxious when you just miss what would have been an effortless winner. Your mind wants you to do the same thing, get long, and see the same result. So your mind is going to say, well, listen, you should have bought at 87, got out at 94. That's 7 points. So I'm going to look for a retracement and try to make 7 points and have it look like that. Your mind plays these wicked games on us because it wants you to get back the bad feeling you had from missing a winner. And that's where you got to be really cautious. When you miss a trade that you should have caught, but you didn't, who cares? It's going to happen. Document it, but understand that a caution flag should go up so you don't do something stupid next. Because not every day gives you a second bite of that apple and runs up. In fact, most days don't. And this came into a pretty long chop before it decided to make another move. All right. So keep that in mind, not only understanding congestion boxes and where breakouts could happen, but understanding after you miss, whether it's a breakout or another trade that followed your progression and for some reason you didn't take it and you missed it and it went, make sure you got a caution flag so you don't do something stupid subsequent to that, because that's when stupid trades happen, when you miss an effortless winner. Just recognize that and know that missing winners is going to happen. You want to minimize that, but you're never going to eliminate it. What you can eliminate is how anxious you feel after you miss a trade. The other thing is when you talk about missed trades, did you miss the trade or did you wish? Did you miss the move or did you wish you caught the move? Some people think that they missed a trade, but they were just kind of wishing they would have caught this move up. Did you actually have a progression in here that you passed on that was bullish, that had the ready, aim, fire? Or was it just a move? Oh, wish I would have got long that move. Well, if you're wishing that you catch every move, you're really going to put yourself in a really negative emotional disposition. So make sure you know, is it a miss move or is it a move you wish you would have caught? And there is a difference. And it's important to recognize where you're at. I call it ABC, where A starts to get you a little aggravated and you do B. B gets you a lot more aggravated and you do C. C makes you throw things out the window and looking for the dog to kick. That's D. You don't want to get into D. So you got to know your ABCs so you could stop it here. You could be aware when you do A so that you could stop it at B or C. Trust me, the dog will be happy.